This has happened to all of us. You press your car key and nothing. No lights, no beeps, no unlocking. Here's how to fix it in just a few minutes. First, make sure it's not just a dead battery. Take out the little emergency key from your fob. Look for a small slot, use a coin or the key to gently pop open the fob. Inside you'll see a round battery, usually a CR2025 or CR2032. Swap it out for a new one, just make sure the plus side faces up. Click the fob back together and try again. Still not working? Sometimes the key fob just needs to be resynced. Get in your Mazda CX-5, close all the doors and press the start button with the dead fob. If the car beeps or the dashboard lights up, the fob signal is getting through. If not, your fob might need reprogramming or rarely a replacement. If your backup fob works, it's definitely the original fob's issue. But if neither fob works, your car's battery might be dead, or there could be a fuse problem. When in doubt, check your owner's manual for key fob instructions. And if you're still stuck, call your Mazda dealer. They can help you out. So, next time your Mazda CX-5 key fob stops working, remember, check the battery, try resyncing, and don't panic. You got this.